Video starting. Hello guys, YouTube guys, I'm here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. And today, today we are boiling water. Get the freak out of my face.
Stop!
I'm here with Little Max, or Yoda Plays, whatever you want to call him.
Because I'm not really Yoda.
We got water boiling. As you see, it's actually popping. We got sticks in there. And we put a bunch of fire around it.
Get some more pond straw.
Yeah, you just looked at the camera. See?
Hey, boy, what you doing, boy? No, stop! Stop!
Allie's a narcissist. She wants you to do this, I think.
Yes, I am.
Freaking show off. Alright,
Get some more pond straw, y'all.
I just wanted to make a little video of me showing this freaking boiling, because why not? Life's amazing. YouTube can do what you want. There's freaking people posting videos about playing games
Get out the water.
with their face showing while they react. Have you seen that video from Cartoons where he played Pokemon Go and Rainbow Six Siege? It like had Pokemon Go on the side.
Don't touch it.
Who does that? Who plays two games at the same time?
Quit, Allie.
I'm not saying that's bad, but yeah. Peace out,
Look, I know what I'm
everybody.
doing. I know what I'm doing too.